Hey guys, Huawei's Mate 20 chapter is now closed, and now in this video we are gonna be talking about another crazy phone from another Chinese manufacturer, and that is the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3, first phone in the world to have a 5G. We will see the Galaxy S10 Plus model with 5G that will come in 2019. Huawei is also working to introduce its first foldable smartphone with 5G in 2019. LG is also working on 5G. Everyone is gearing up, but it seems like Xiaomi might be the first company to win the race. Recently, Xiaomi has officially confirmed that their third generation phone of bezel-less beauty mixed lineup will now be 5G ready, which makes this phone only to have this capability as of now. And not only this, the Mi Mix 3 will also come with a 10 gigs of RAM. Yes, you heard that right, 10 freaking gigs of RAM, and here are also some more futuristic things in the Mi Mix 3. So first we have this pretty hard, fully bezel-less design. Xiaomi always tried to go a bezel-less look in their Mix series, but it was never completely bezel-less look. But now the Mi Mix 3 is finally equipped with a truly bezel-less look, but it has some compromises. The compromises that we saw with the Oppo Find X as well, a compromise that gives you a futuristic bezel-less look, and that compromise is the moving parts. In the Oppo Find X, you saw the automatic slider that will come outside automatically whenever you open the camera app, but in this Mi Mix 3, the slider is manual. You can manually slide it with the help of your hands. Same thing that we saw with the Honor Magic 2 that will launch on October 31st. As you can see in this image officially shared by Xiaomi CEO, it has no bottom gen at all, which possibly hints that this is going to be expensive, because to get rid of chin completely, manufacturers have to use curved OLED, which is way more expensive than the normal flat displays. But this phone will not be as expensive as the current flagships available in the market. Now, other than the design, this phone will also come with a 5G. Now let's talk about how it's possible, because none of the 2018 flagship have 5G, even the phones that have the 7nm based CPU. And will the Mi Mix 3 have Snapdragon 8150, or I would say the successor of the Snapdragon 845? So that's completely impossible that this phone will have Snapdragon 8150 or 855, because Qualcomm is still playing with the early benchmarks of it. This means that Mi Mix 3 will have the same Snapdragon 845 processor that we have already seen on almost every 2018 flagship smartphone, but with a newer modem. It will most likely be the new Qualcomm X50 modem that we are also going to see on the next generation Snapdragon 8150, but adopting this modem with Snapdragon 845 may cause some overheating issues, because 5G needs some advanced type of cooling system to work. There were also rumors in the past that the Mi Mix 3 will have the Snapdragon 855, which will officially be called Snapdragon 8150. I'm not sure that this phone will not have the Snapdragon 8150 chipset. Maybe they just introduce it on October 25th and release it to public at the end of this year, or maybe in January. As for now, the freaking truly bezel-less look and 5G is confirmed to arrive with that phone, along with this manual slider. And we also have a live image of the device which shows the dual back cameras as well as a back fingerprint scanner, along with this fully glass body. So yeah, that's all on the Mi Mix 3. Let me know what you think about this phone and which processor you expect from it, and make sure to subscribe, because we will see more details about it soon, and I will catch you guys in the next one. See you soon.